Hey Supercoder! Today we are making a super fun stacking blocks game. We'll go step by step, add our sprites, set up the background, and code it together. So stay with me till the end and let's build this game. First, let's add our sprites. We'll need a stand sprite, where we'll stack our blocks. 3 stacking blocks, big, medium, and small. And of course, let's not forget our boy sprite who'll guide us if we make any mistakes. Okay, we'll name them orange block for the big one, blue block for the medium one, yellow block for the small one. And finally, before we start coding, let's do a quick costume check for our blocks. Each block should have 2 costumes. Costume 1, when it is falling. Costume 2, when it is stationary. So click on each block sprite. All right, it's time to code. Let's start with the orange block, our biggest block. Select the orange block, and first, we will set its position and costume when the game starts. So, drag these blocks. When green flag clicked switch costume to costume 2, go to X, your position, Y, your position. This will place our block nicely at the top. Now, let's make the block drop when we click on it. Add these blocks. First, go to the Events section and drag when this sprite clicked into the coding area. This tells the game to run this code whenever we click the sprite. Now, go to the Look section and grab Switch Costume 2. Place it right under the first block. From the list, choose Costume 1. This will change the sprite to Costume 1 when we click it. Next, go to the Variables section. Drag set variable to value and place it below. Choose Y velocity orange from the list and set it to 0. This stops the block from moving up or down when we click it. Go to the Motion section and get Go to XY block. Place it at the bottom of the stack. Change the numbers to X, 0, and Y, 100. This puts the sprite in the right spot to start. Now, we'll make the block fall. All right, now let's make our block fall down smoothly, like real physics. Go to the Control section and grab the Forever block. This block is like telling Scratch, hey, keep repeating this code again and again, non-stop. Place it below the code we just did. Now, inside the Forever block, let's add some magic. Go to the Variables section. Drag Change Variable by Number. Place it inside the Forever block, select Y velocity orange from the list, and change the number to -1. This means every time this loop runs, decrease the velocity by 1. This is like gravity pulling the block down. Next, still inside the Forever block, go to the Motion section, drag Change Y by Number, and place it below the previous block. Now, instead of a number, grab Y velocity orange from the Variables section and drop it in. This tells Scratch, move the block based on the current speed, velocity. If the velocity is big, the block moves faster. If it's small, it moves slowly. Now, let's make sure the block doesn't fall forever into the void. Go to the Control section and drag the If-Then block. Place it inside the Forever block under what we've already done. Go to Operators and grab Less Than block. Drop it inside the If-Then hexagon space. From Motion, grab I position and place it on the left side of the Less Than block. On the right side, type -64. This means if the block goes below -64 on the screen, do the following steps. Now, inside the If-Then block, go to Motion, grab Set E to Number, and set it to -64. This keeps the block at ground level. Next, from Variables, grab Set Variable to Value. Choose Y velocity orange. Now go to Operators, get the multiplication block. It looks like this. Chantier and place it in the value space. For the first space, drag in Y velocity orange. And for the second space, type -0.8. This makes the block bounce a little. The block hits the ground and the speed is reduced and reversed, like a soft bounce. We can play with the number negative 0.8 with 1, and if needed, make it negative 0.3. It's all up to you. Amazing! Now our block is falling with gravity. Next, copy the same code to the blue block and yellow block. But wait, we need to make some changes. For the blue block, change the variable to y velocity blue, the position values to place it at a different starting point. For the yellow block, do the same. Use y velocity yellow. Adjust the position so it starts somewhere else. And don't forget to add the correct costume changes for each block. Okay, here's the tricky but fun part. Controlling the stacking order. We want players to stack the big block first, then medium, and then small. So let's create variables. For orange block, orange. For blue block, blue. For yellow block, yellow. At the beginning, set them all to 0. Go to the orange block, and when it is clicked, add Set Orange to 1. Now, move to the blue block and add an IF condition at the start. If orange equals 1 then, execute the fall code else broadcast, try again. Finally, for the yellow block, add this if condition. If orange equals 1 and blue equals 1, then execute the fall code else broadcast try again 1 perfect. This will make sure players follow the correct order. Now let's code our boy sprite to give feedback if players make a mistake. Select the boy sprite and add first from the events section, grab when I receive try again. This tells the sprite to start when it gets the message. Next, from looks, drag show so our sprite appears. Then grab say hello for 2 seconds and change it to try again. This will show the message to the player. Finally, add hide from the looks section so the sprite disappears after the message. And that's it! Now, our game will tell players to try again at the right time. Do the same for try again 1. When I receive try again 1 show, say try again for 2 seconds hide. And finally, hide the boy at the start. Go to the events section and grab when green flag clicked. This means the code will run when the game starts. Then, from the looks category, drag hide and place it right under the green flag block. And that's it, super coders! Our game is ready. You can now test it. Click the big block. It falls down. Then click the medium block. Perfect. Finally, click the small block. Done. But if you try to cheat and click the smaller blocks first, the boy will catch you. If you enjoyed building this game, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Scratch tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!